One of the moans that I was seeing on TripAdvisor was that the rooms are quite basic and quite shabby. I'll hand over to Charlie so he can give you a quick view around his room.
We have a massive bed, phone on the right with a lamp. On the other side, it's the same but without a phone. Opposite the bed, we have a television with 38 channels. Next to this, we have some spare towels and free complimentary water that you get when you enter the room.
Every day?
Underneath the TV is a mini fridge, but sadly this one does not work. We didn't get this on our first or second day. On our third, we got a flower made out of towels. Next room along, we have a sort of couch that can be turned into a bed, quite comfy. We have a desk that you can
With a big puff underneath that you can sit on.
But beware, this does go down a lot. Yeah, he's kind of sinking the chair.
Sorry, I'm not taking over, I'm just going to show you the Islamic art on the wall.
We have a lockable door that leads out onto a balcony for a really good view.
The bathrooms come in for a bit of a slating on TripAdvisor. The shampoos, shower rack, you get some towels. The towels are a bit grey. The finish in the bathroom isn't amazing, but it's quite spacious. Very old-fashioned hairdryer, some hand soap, a little toilet area. Is that for washing your hair? And who doesn't need a telephone in the toilet? One of those shaving mirrors and then a big mirror. I don't think the rooms are that basic. I think they're quite nice. Although it's a little bit rough around the edges. Seats that you get in your balcony have definitely seen better days. Some of the light fittings are not sitting very well. And as Charlie said, his fridge doesn't work. Tiles are coming up from the pool. Charlie keeps finding these tiles that have fell off the pool and he's made a bit of a collection of them. These beautiful lights at the side of the bed don't work in my room, so it is a really, really nice hotel. Just a little bit rough around the edges. I think they're really, really nice rooms, really well appointed. I mean, this is a room for two. It's quite massive. So we've just had a 5-hour drive from Luxor to Hurghada. Absolutely shattered, but they told us our room has been upgraded on this leg of the tour. So let's see what we're getting. We're in room 4002 here at the Makadi Palace. This is an upgraded room. We were in a junior suite. I'm not quite sure what this is classed as. I'm just putting the key in. But this is so much bigger than what we had before. This is absolutely massive. There's the usual artwork on the wall. There is so much storage space. We have a double balcony, absolutely huge balcony with a couple of lounges. With the hotel, with chairs and a table. We've got a full fridge. There's nothing in it. A mini bar would have been nice. You go missing for the day and this is what happens. They've replaced the fridge. We had a big fridge. It was a very old-fashioned fridge, to be fair. It was noisy. But this one's tiny and it's not got an ice compartment, which is what we really, really wanted. But never mind, you can't have everything. Out with the old, in with the new. Got a kettle, which we didn't have in the other room. A whole ton of storage space. Television with a remote. Massive bed. Big enough for 3. Telephone. So an absolutely huge bedroom. But then if you come with me, we've got a lounge area as well. Got a wardrobe, mini safe, extra pillows, a big plasma TV, and more storage space. So this is the lounge area. You can see Charlie enjoying some plums in there. And then here's the bathroom. Got a large mirror. Nice bath. Separate toilet and bidet. Hose pipe to wipe your bottom with a mixture. The obligatory foam, because who doesn't need a foam? Then we've got a separate bath with hand gel and a clothesline. And then we have a stand-in shower. Looks a bit grubby in the corners. But no, far superior to the room we had before. Very old-fashioned hairdryer. And a mirror. So in a nutshell, that's the Makadi Palace. Is it a great hotel? No. Is it a rubbish hotel? No, it's just in the middle. A few little minor improvements would make this great. But try it out for yourself. Bye for now.